All right, and now let's wrap up the show. This is the wrap up for the live market open for December 7th, Wednesday. Getting close to the holidays, but very, very busy. Big events in markets. Everything ready for the Fed decision next week. In Italy, after the nice recovery, after the referendum, we had another sort of a setback, fresh worries. OPEC oil prices, once again, we had oil rising, gushing higher, thanks to the surprising decision that they reached an agreement to cut, but now, again, doubts are beginning just a bit to creep in. And, of course, tension is growing towards tomorrow's ECB decision, which we previewed in detail. Hoped for a soft Brexit, well, also petering out as well. In terms of data, we had the non-farm payrolls not rocking the boat too much in terms of the Fed decision. A big event that we had tonight was the Australian GDP that plunged. We had a small fall in the Australian dollar. I believe we could see even more because it's quite a disappointment. Elsewhere, things are a bit more upbeat. In Canada, in the US, in China, things are looking okay. The big events, well, for today we have a bit of a focus on the Canadian dollar with the rate decision from the BOC and oil inventories. And tomorrow's big event is, of course, the ECB. Join live coverage. Valeria Bednarik, Mauricio Carrillo, and I will cover the event. No changes expected in rates. The big question is, of course, the QE program. So, in short, 6-month extension is expected, priced in. If this is the case, the outcome for euro dollar will depend on the tone, on the new forecast. It's a big rate decision from the ECB. If we have no extension, a tapering down, it's positive for the euro, quite unlikely. If we have a 12-month extension, a dovish Draghi, then the dovish Draghi will drag the euro down if it's 12 months or more. So that's the big event for tomorrow, and I think for the week. And then we have a relatively quiet Friday, but the last word belongs to the University of Michigan's consumer confidence. If we look quickly at the chart, we're seeing mixed, no trend. If we look at euro dollar, we're seeing it ticking a bit up after reaching support there at 107.10, basically, but lower than the high seen post Renzirendum. Pound dollar. Here we're seeing a move to the downside. Hopes for a soft Brexit, not as strong as they used to be. Watch out for 125.20 and 127.90 as the big lines. On euro dollar, under 107.10, watch for 105.70 and to the top side, 108.20. On dollar yen, another important pair, 114.13, the current level, 115. I would say 113.80 to 115 is the current range. Dollar CAD, as I mentioned, important day, 132.50 to 133.60. Current range, Aussie dollar, 74.35 at the moment. Quite resilient in the face of the aftermath of this terrible GDP number. Anyway, 73.65 to 75 is the current range. And Kiwi dollar in the background, 71.25. The range is 71 to 71.40. That's the narrow range, but I would say between 70 and 72. Okay.